So let me show you how to install Microsoft Outlook on your Samsung Galaxy A27. Now this is very simple. Just go to the Google Play Store and go to the search function and then just type Outlook. So this is Microsoft Outlook. So it might be pre-installed on your phone and all you have to do is enable, or you have to install it from scratch. Either way, you either install or update right from the Google Play Store. And once it's on your phone, it will now give you the option to open, or you can find it in the Microsoft folder or just on the app screen. So let me go to the app screen and it should be somewhere. Let me just, here it is. So Outlook, you can launch it, and then of course you'll have to sign in with your Microsoft account so that you have access to your Outlook files and emails and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.